my son, oh, mama, my son, oh, mama, my son, oh, mama, my son, oh, baby, come down, oh, sweet like a panda, yeah, baby, come down, oh, sweet like a panda, yeah, darling, darling,
people will get other type of marketing systems. They face a lot of problems. Number one, their stuff gets to spam. With our marketing system, the stuff doesn't get to spam because we have a spam filter that shows you the quality and tells you all the spam problems you have. It checks different yardsticks and measures it clearly, and if it tells you there's nothing wrong, your stuff will go to inbox and you can always test it. Number two, people have problems of having to load their software in a remote desktop. The remote desktop alone costs them maybe $10 a month or a little bit less or more, but our system is cloud-based and you don't have to buy any remote desktop, and you can connect unlimited emails to your system, unlimited senders. You can connect a Yahoo sender by just logging in. You can connect an Outlook sender by just logging in. You can connect your Gmail by the SMTP, the IMAP, or the authentication password. It's so easy. You can connect a million on one of them. We don't have any problem. We'll run it for you. You can do auto sending, so that it sends auto account sending. You'll be switching accounts. It sends with this account right now. In the next 1 minute, you will send with the other account. You can do timing too. You can do everything.